So if you follow MTD CNC's channels, you'll know that we work with a lot of machine tool suppliers around the world, and of course here in the UK. I'm at Ward High Tech in Sheffield. The story today is about Turnkey Solutions. It's about what Ward High Tech can offer you in support and service, and obviously the development of turnkey projects. Now they supply the Huachon range of machines, amongst others, turning centres and machining centres. And for those that didn't know, Huachon are the largest privately owned machine tool manufacturer in Korea, would you believe? So what about this machine? Well, this is the Hi-Tech 550A. This is a 15-inch chuck turning centre. Now this machine, as it stands here, might look pretty straightforward, but in fact it's had a few enhancements and some project or production engineering done on it in order to develop a turnkey project for a customer. So if we move in to the machine, a couple of the points that I want to illustrate. Firstly, we have a travelling steady here on this machine, which obviously will support the bar when the customer is turning. Certainly with larger diameters, these are pretty critical. But what I find really interesting about this solution is the chuck. In fact, this is a 15-inch chuck machine, and normally these machines would be supplied with hydraulic chucks, but this is actually, or has been engineered to have a pneumatic chuck on here. Now it's not just the pneumatic chuck on the front, I'm also going to take you round the back of the machine, because what is interesting here and what is being shown, or what the customer has actually asked for on this particular machine, is a pneumatic or double chucking solution. So we have a pneumatic chuck on the back of the spindle as well here, a 15-inch chuck. Now really the idea behind this is obviously to give the bar far better support. The customer is supplying their own bar support or bar feeding solution to be attached to this machine. But really, if you're looking at, let's say, enhancing the stability of the turning process on larger bars, this is the sort of thing that Ward High Tech get involved in. Of course, here we also have the auto door on this machine, and this is something that you can integrate into solutions in order for health and safety reasons, obviously, but to aid production as well. If you were to break the beam there, then of course the machine would stop, but the door will auto open and close within cycle. Now turnkey projects are becoming really key to UK manufacturing, and Ward High Tech as a supplier here in the UK have a team of engineers that are able to assist, design, develop and supply turnkey related manufacturing solutions, of which this is one. You can come here to Sheffield to their headquarters to see not only turnkeys going through the place, but also the range of stock machines that they have. Visit their website to find out more, wardhightech.co.uk.